Do you want to be seen as outstanding? Somebody who takes on the impossible in ways that are so game-changing? Well, if you do, then you have to recognize that you have to stand out. And not only do you have to stand out, but you have to do it right here, right now. Because the impossible isn't waiting for the future. The impossible isn't waiting for something to happen later. It's about standing out today. It's about building something that you can get behind right here and right now. Because if you want to stand out, if you want to go and create something incredible, then you have to realize that it's going to take a leap of faith. It's going to take a bridge that sometimes isn't always perfect, but sometimes is tumultuous. And in that, you need to take a leap of faith. You need to step up and do it for real. You need to engage every fear and every component that is inside of your body, and your comfort zone must be screaming at you, saying, I can't do this. And in the face of that, you must leap. You must stand up for what you believe, because it's the only way that the impossible becomes possible.